welcome back to Garden of Treats. So today I'm going to show you how I built a strawberry lifter. So strawberries are not supposed to be on the ground, we found out, because they will mold and the strawberries will get like mushy on the bottom. So they're supposed to be lifted up. So a lot of people plant them like hanging down, so the strawberries are hanging in little like pots or whatnot. So we had to figure out something to do. So on Amazon, they sell these strawberry, they're called strawberry lifts or something. I'll insert a picture on the video, and in the description, I will drop the link to the strawberry lifts. But I didn't want to spend $15. I think it was $15 for like a pack of 5. I didn't want to spend $15. Here at the Garden of Treats, we like to recycle and we like to figure out things in an inexpensive way. And so that's why we have our pallets that we get for free behind, you know, we'll make a video about how we get our pallets for free. But yeah, and so I just want to show you guys what I came up with. So far it's working. This is the second day and they look fine. So keep on watching. So as you can see today, it's just me. Mark and Marley are sound asleep. They had a long night. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our video. So here are the strawberry lifts. So these are our two strawberry plants that we still have. And so I took a cardboard box, just like an Amazon box I recycled. I cut it into a circle, and then I cut the inside of the circle out so that the plant could fit in the inside. As you can see, the plant is going through the cardboard box. And so I cut the circle, like a little opening to the circle here, so that I could just wrap it around the plant and then close it. And I taped it around when it was like a little snug on the plant so it don't fall off, but you know, not too tight so that the plant can't breathe. And I wanted to make sure that all the leaves fit inside. So you see there's still like a little leaf hanging off here, but that's fine. Most of the strawberries are hanging this way, so they're not touching the ground. I think that's the idea of having a strawberry lift in the first place. And so in order to lift it, I got these little kebab sticks that we already had in the drawer. I think we got them from the dollar store. So I just stuck them, I cut a little tiny hole with a knife in the cardboard box, and I stuck the stick through the hole and into the dirt. And then I lifted, I could pull it up how I want it. And if the plant starts to get bigger, I can pull it up or pull it down, whatever I need to do. And so this is the other one. So same concept. I taped it here, wrapped it around the whole plant, taped it here, and then I just lifted it up. And so just go to this side. So you can see the strawberries are here. And so they won't be hanging on the ground. See, they're here and here, so they won't fall directly to the ground. We'll see how long, like if this works and how long it will work and whatnot. But yeah, so that's our strawberry lift that we built. So comment below if you want me to make a more detailed video. It was pretty straightforward, the process. Like I said, I just got a Amazon box, cut a circle inside of it, cut the inside of the circle, cut a little piece in, you know, open the circle up a little bit, and then wrap it around the plant, tape it, and then stick some kebab sticks. So you can get like a pack of them from the dollar store, these little kebab sticks. And I stuck them inside, and then I just lifted up the plant. So yeah, let me know if you want a more detailed video on that. So if you like the shirt I had on today, it is also available in a sun orange, and you can find it at lovealways.shop.
Thank you for coming by the Garden of Treats. We look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Make sure you look out for the Tree of Treats Foundation and visit lovealways.shop for more love.